Hi, in this lesson, let's see few things that you have to remember while using Google Ads Editor. Okay, I'm opening Google Ads Editor. So, as I told you since the beginning, so whenever you open the Google Ads Editor, first thing you have to do is go to the Get Recent Changes and download the data from the engine into Google Ads so that you can make the edits. Okay, and after you make the changes, and the next thing that is the last thing you have to do is you have to post the changes that you have done in this editor into the engine. Then only those changes will go live. Okay, these two things are very important. Okay, get recent changes and post changes, right? I think you have understood these two uh, things. And next thing is the mapping. So I have told you right in the previous lesson, mapping is very important. You have to specify for each and every section that, suppose if you are adding any keyword, you have to specify that this keyword is going into this ad group and this ad group is going into this particular ad group, right? Or if you are adding any new RSA, you have to specify that this RSA has to go into this ad group and this particular ad group is present in this campaign. Okay, so you have to specify for each and every keyword and each and every ad group whatever you are adding into Google Ads Editor, then only it will recognize. And the headers, as I told you, so it has specific format, right? So if you go to the respective sections, suppose here the responsive search ads. Okay, so here I am going into make multiple changes. You can view what are the columns that it is required. So right, ad group status, or what are the columns that it will recognize. Okay, this should be exactly present. Even suppose if I so many people a simple mistake, instead of keeping ad group, they will keep as ad groups, a plural form. Even that is not recognized. It should be exact. Okay, it should be ad group only. So if you have made any changes, suppose if you have made like ad groups, okay, let's say in the here here let's say, yeah, this one. Okay, for the keywords only, let's say here, for to keep keywords, I mean ad groups, and I am going to here and I am adding this one. Okay, I'm going into editor, keywords, right, and make multiple changes. Just click on here, so it will show as not importing because we have added yes, so it is not recognized. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply click on this drop down and go to ad group and you can select the appropriate one. Okay, so this is how you can do the mapping, right? I hope you have understood these things. So these are the very basic things that when you are using editor you should know. So we will meet in the next lesson.